Okay, so this is my white musk that I made last night. I'm just going to cut it right now. I started cutting it and then I thought, oh, maybe you guys might like to see a cutting video. I don't know. It's still pretty soft, but... And again, these are only for friends and family. They're not to sell just at the minute. Okay. I've got to get my butt into gear. I love this crinkle cutter. I tell you, it's brilliant, this crinkle cutter. Go from that way. So this is meant to have gold mica in it and my own little mix, and really the only one that came out was the purple. But that's alright, I am loving the purple. So this is just a miter box I bought over here at Bunnings, because I cannot cut straight for the life of me. Oh, I'm glad they look all different. Maybe when they cure, maybe some of the, oh, well, you see there right in the middle, that there's got a little bit of my own little mix in it. Sorry. But that purple is unreal. That's a, well, I got it from Aussie Soap Supplies, but they stock brambleberry stuff. So I actually love that purple. That purple is brilliant. Hopefully that's coming out on the camera. I'm not sure if it will. I tend to do this at night when I don't have much light. That one's a nice swirl. Oops. So it's nice and creamy. Can't even remember what I done with it. Alright. So my pinky bit came out slightly more than the gold. Let's look at the soaps for a minute. I suppose I could pause it. Alright, so this is the lather test for the white musk. Feels lovely and creamy. Still very soft at the moment. So they're only small bubbles, but oh my god, that's Lovely. Alright. See you next time.